And in business, the General Superintendent of the Assemblies of God Church, Reverend Professor Paul Frimpong Manso, has urged the management of rural banks in the country to abide by the regulations of the Bank of Ghana and Apex Bank in their operations. This, he believes, would ensure sanity in the banking sector, which would replicate the growth of the economy and prevent future crises in the banking sector. Reverend Professor Frimpong Manso was speaking at the commissioning of the whole branch of the Farol Rural Bank, a member of the First Sky Group.
Poor corporate governance, non-performing loans, and regulatory lapses were some of the causes of the banking crisis, which led to a cleanup in 2017. The cleanup saw the revocation of licenses and consolidation of some indigenous banks. The General Superintendent of the Assemblies of God Church, Reverend Professor Paul Frimpong Manso, is therefore cautioning banking institutions to always abide by the regulations of the sector to avert future crises.
Whenever I see a bank, I think about our regulators, the Bank of Ghana, Apex Bank, and all those other people in our associations, like the Association of Rural Bank and the rest. Let us try to play the games right. Let us not cut corners so that they will come on us and we will feel that things are not good. Next is the media. I have seen them to be makers and breakers. And I'm appealing with you, when we hear anything good about Farol Rural Bank, we don't need our permission to go on air and tell people. That's why you are there. But when you hear anything wrong, please make sure you have investigated and get the right story before you go out. Because one statement can break and destroy everything that this company has brought in.
The board chair of Farol Rural Bank, Professor Richard Bani, explained that the bank would provide social intervention services aimed at promoting the growth of the local economy.
Our philosophy is not profit-based. This is a social intervention that we are doing. None of the shareholders takes a dime from the bank. Everything that we get will be plowed back into the community. We also have social responsibility policy where we support good causes. During the pandemic, Farol donated PPEs worth 100,000 Ghana cedis to the Margaret Marquardt Hospital, Kandu. So that is the way we go, and that's the way we are going to go.
The executive chairman of the First Sky Group, Eric Kuto, said the bank would offer loans to micro, small and medium-scale enterprises at low interest rates. Fred Kwame Asari, Joy News. Ho.